Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use file history, which is the equivalent of Time Machine on macOS on Windows 11. So for this you can use your control panel. If you don't see the file history file, you can change it to large icon. So after that you can open file history. Here we have three different tabs. So in the first tab you see here is showing the drive you're saving your file there, and in the second one is for the restoring your file from the file you saved. And here we have on the select drive, we can change the drive we save our data on it. So for me, the data is being saved on the an SSD hard drive. And so in this process, the software save your file from libraries, desktop, contact, and favorite file to a backup file. So if you're going to exclude one of them, you can choose it from here. So, and in the advanced setting, you can change the type of saving. For example, if you want to save your data every 1 hour, you can choose it, which is selected as a default, or you can select another option, every 12 hours, daily, or whatever you want. And the last option is keep saved version. So in this version, in this part, you can choose the option you want. For example, you select on 1 month, it keeps your file for 1 month, and after that it will be deleted from your hard drive. Or you can choose forever, and the software do not remove your file anytime. And when you choose these files, after all, you can press on this button, turn on, to run the software on your computer. And after that, if you go to the drive you have, for example, here I have the extreme SSD, this file. We see there is a file history folder here, which is my files are copying there. As you can see, now it's just creating the configuration file, and after a while it copies all the file on my desktop, libraries, contact, and favorites on this file, and I have this whenever I encounter a problem. I hope you like this video.